Welcome back to another video. My name is Nicholas and this is Eating the African Way. If this is your first time to be here with us, we are staying in Acholi, one of the societies in northern Uganda. In this video, we're going to do one of their local brew, Marwa. Yeah, it's called Marwa in my language. I don't know what they call it in their language, but we're going to find it along the video. So we have come early morning because we wanted to start the process from the start to the end. This is the sweetener.
How we get the sweetener, we wash millet, plain millet, and keep it wet in caveras. We wash it, we keep it in separate caveras for 4 days. So that's when it gets fermented, and we take it and grind it. It's grinded into flour, and that's what we use to add into the drink to make it sweet. We don't use sugar. So that's our sweetener that we add inside the drink to make it sweet.
So let us just dive into the video and see how this is going to come up. I know where you come from. There are those drinks you have. Like, I think in Uganda we have so many drinks in Central. The banana juice, the one we use feet to squeeze the juice out of the bananas. You saw that video, the Mara, Kwete, Mubisi, Endiga. There's a drink called Endiga. But you can tell us in the comment section what you have in your society, because we're here to learn from each other. Somehow we have the same things. You can let us know, give a name, describe how it is made. As we go to the end of this video. But thank you so much for being here with us. You can also tell us what we can do next. Any drink we can do from this side. Yeah, don't go anywhere. From that process, after getting the sweetener, the grinding it, all that, you have seen that there's something different from what we have in Central. In Central, they always make holes where they put the millet to ferment from. But here, they have something already made where they just go there, they clean, they use hash to clean. They first apply the dry hash, then after they wet the hash and then clean the hole. Then after they get that grinded millet, which is not fermented, grinded. They grind it from the machine, they bring it here, they wet it, compact it together, put that into the hole for 7 days. The 7 whole days it ferments. So after fermenting, it gives up that smell. You wouldn't want to smell it, but it is good. It makes the drink so good. The one that bangs your head. So after there, for 7 days, they get it out. They start the roasting part, which you're watching right now. They roast it. So let us go be part of the roasting part as we go to the end of the video. But thank you so much for being part of Eating the African Way. Thank you so much for being here with us. Leave a comment what you think about this video. We would want to get your thoughts in the comment section. So we don't want to leave you behind. Let us go step by step. So this one is roasted for 1 hour. So you have to keep turning it, and because you wouldn't want this to be burnt. And also one of the things I've seen these people doing, they taste. I think testing, when you keep testing, that is when you know it is ready. Please, as you're watching the video, one thing you shouldn't forget to do, leave a comment, like the video, tell us what we can do next from this side. We have a whole week from this side. Oh, the sourness. Makes you get drunk before you drink that drink.
Doing this is actually not hard. It's not hard to do it. This is what we are going to use to make our drink. As you saw the process, we got this from the hole. So we're going to use this. After doing this, we're going to dry it up. It can't be cooked like this. We're going to first dry it up. It's really nice and it smells good. But when we just got it from the hole, it was smelling terrible. It was smelling terrible. But now, it smells good. It actually smells good. It's nice.
Most of the good things take time. Imagine how many days you take to come up with this drink. 7 days when you're fermenting it from the whole, and then four days when they are fermenting the sweetener, and then 1 hour when they are roasting it. Remember, they have to go to the machine, grind it, all those hours, all those days to come up with a drink. That's why I can't wait to be banged today. Hope banged is the right word. You know, other people can interpret the words, eh? I think the roasted millet is going to be ready. As you told you, they mix it with cold water at first, then add in the sweetener. It stays for 2 nights. 2 nights. Then after, when they are going to serve it, they add in warm water to awaken the what? The hunger from the drink. 30 minutes will be done here, and get ready for what is going to happen next. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know about this video. Don't just watch. I know most of you watch, don't leave a comment. One of the things I enjoy doing is to be on my bed or walking in the house listening to music as I'm replying to those comments. Even if there are millions of comments, I'll find time for each and every comment. Drop them right now as you're watching. Don't forget to like. Yeah. You buy so many things along the way, that juices, the drinks, but you don't know how those things are made. And one of the things we are looking at on this channel, Eating the African Way, is to bring this close to your eyes. You see how this is made. Everything from the scratch to the end until they reach the market or they reach the table we're going to enjoy them from. And also drop those comments. Tell us what you want to see next. So far we have how walaji is made. We have how banana juice is made. We have marwa. This is the second video from marwa from a different society, because I wanted to see if there's something different they do. There's so many drinks. There are so many drinks. You can just drop them in a comment section from your culture, from your society. We are here to cover that for you. Yeah, I think that's all.
After here, we are going to sun dry it, and we are going to leave it to sun dry till evening. Then we shall mix in the water and the sweetener. As I told you, we mix in water and the sweetener after it's sun drying, and we leave it for 2 nights before it's served as marwa. We don't want you to miss out anything. So this is the sweetener. After you saw the process with Nicholas, as they were removing the sweetener from the kavera and separating it. After doing that, it's sun-dried. So this is how it's sun-dried. We put it outside to sun-dry. Then we take it to the machine and grind it. Then after, it's used as the sweetener in the drink. When we take it to the machine, all this will be flour. It will be flour. It will not look like this anymore. It will all be flour, and that flour is used as a sweetener in the drink. Like I told you, we just roasted the flour that we got from the whole. The sweetener, after being grinded, is mixed with that flour that we roasted and kept for 2 nights. Yeah, kept for 2 nights. The sweetener is mixed with flour and water, and it's kept for 2 nights. Then after, we have our drink.
This is going to sun dry until evening, so we are going to spend the entire day at this place. Please don't go anywhere. Keep along. Be patient like us. Let us enjoy. Let us go to the end of this video. This tastes like injera. It's called injera. That Ethiopian Eritrean food, that brown chapati. It has the same taste as this. If you have ever tasted that, now you know what I'm talking about. It has that fermentation taste. Okay.
You've seen me remove this from outside. It's already evening. So our roasted millet is already dried up. It's already dried up, as you can see. It's already dry. So what we are going to do now, we're going to mix this with water and add in the sweetener. We're going to mix it with water, add in the sweetener. Like I said earlier, when we mix it with water and add in the sweetener, we keep it for 2 nights. We keep it for 2 nights, then our drink will be finally ready after 2 nights. We add it with we add in cold water, not warm water. Warm water is added when the drink is already ready and when we are ready to take the drink. That's when the warm water is added inside. So for now, we're going to show you the process of mixing it, and yeah, enjoy the video and wait and see how we enjoy the drink on your behalf. This is how we mix it. We are using cold water. We mix in the water first before pouring the flour inside. Like I told you, the flour is used as the sweetener. So we mix in the water in the dried millet. Our roasted millet is already dry. So we are using water and the roasted millet for now. Then we shall add in the flour and we leave our drink to ferment. So as you've seen her do that, she was removing the burnt particles, the burnt pieces that were on top of the water. So now we put in the flour. We're going to mix in the flour and then leave it to ferment. As you've been watching, you saw us sun dry the sweetener, you saw us remove it from the caveras. So we told you, after removing the sweetener from the cavera, after removing the millet from the cavera, we sun dry it. We sun dry it. That millet was kept for 3 days. You can keep it for 3 to 4 days. Then you sun dry it, and this is how we told you we take it to the machine for it to be grinded. So this is the end result of it. It's like flour actually. So it was taken to the machine and grinded, and this is the flour that we are using right now. It's the flour that you're seeing right now. So we mix in the flour and the roasted millet. The flour is more of the sweetener, if you understand what I'm saying. The flour is used as the sweetener. We don't use sugar in the drink. We don't use any other sweetener in the drink, but that is what we use for this specific drink. So as you see it like this, we leave it for 2 nights, for 2 nights. We leave it for 2 nights, then we shall get our drink. I'm going to show you how the drink is going to look like. The ready drink is going to look like.
Now this is what we have right now. Ooh, I feel like, I think we let us taste before we go to the final drink and see what is here. The way it is bubbling out, making that sound. Oh. I think she also needs to come and test this. Ooh. I think if you take this like for 30 minutes, we'll be drunk without you noticing. Okay, let us also come in the video. Tell us, test this, and then we see her reaction.
Oh good, I can't wait to test it now. I'm sure you guys are waiting for. I don't know, I can't describe it. I've tested it. It tastes like, because I've never tested this drink. It tastes like, if you know bushera, and if you keep it for long, fermented bushera. You know, if you take bushera that is locally made, and it takes long. I don't know the right. Let me test it again.
Hope you don't get drunk.
I really don't know. But yeah, for me it tastes like bushera that has really taken long, because it has that sour taste, and I really don't know. But it's a nice drink. It's nice.
I think we have come to the end of this video. How was it on your side?
It was amazing. I got to learn a lot. Me personally, I'm from this region, but I didn't know how to make this drink.
Okay.
So I got to learn a lot. It was a beautiful experience. Yeah.
And also those ones who are watching, I'm pretty sure you've got something different, something new you have learned. You can also share this information with so many people, your family members, people you find on the street, your friends. Let us create a big family, a huge family for both our channels. The Dosyline Daniels, Eating the African Way. You can call me Nico, Mr. Food, so many names. Mr. Food, African Way, Eating the African Way, all the names you feel like. Or Nico, Nick, which one is better for you? But you have seen everything. I think we just need to give a honest review and we close the video.
Yeah.
Okay. How you taste? Please taste. I know most of you are watching this channel. You have tasted the injera, the Eritrean Ethiopian dish, their cultural dish, that chapati brown thing. You know how it tastes. So this is the same taste you're going to get from this, because both are fermented. I think they go through the same process. So what do you relate this to?
Me. I failed to get what I can describe this taste to, because it's really new in my mouth.
And also you mentioned about millets.
Yeah.
Millet porridge. Or millet just when it is fermented, or when it stays long, it ferments. So that's the same taste you're going to get from this. But this one is kind of, say, rough, hard.
Yeah, this is hard.
This one can,
it's really fermented.
it can bang your head. Seriously.
And we are not finishing this. This was just a test call.
I think this is going to be the end of this video. So this is going to cost you 3,000 Ugandan shillings.
Yeah, that's less than $1.
It's $1 maybe. Okay, yeah, according to the rate. Okay, those are cents.
Oh yeah, it's $1 and a few cents.
Yeah.
No, it's less than
Just,
$1.
yeah.
It's less than $1.
Yeah, those are few cents.
Yeah.
Okay, you can close the video.
Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching this video once again. I don't know what to say.
Are you being banged by that drink? Yes.
I think I'm already high.
Okay, let me close it.
Already high.
Let me close. Thank you so much for being part of Eating the African Way. Please follow her channel. I'm going to leave the link in the description box of this very video. Okay, but we are done. I'm going to leave her link in the description box of this video. Even on the screen, you see her channel link. Daniels.
Yes, Dosyline
Daniels. All right. Yeah. We have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Don't forget to tell us what you want to see next on this channel. From a different society, from this society, just drop those comments, those requests. We'll do them for you. If you want to see her again on the channel, also tell us. Me, I don't want to miss that smile, yeah?